Hello and welcome to Random Observer's new original video. Chao Phraya Tourist Boat is a hop-on hop-off boat service that has been providing service along Chao Phraya River since 2003. A number of beautiful attractions can be found at the numerous piers along this historic waterway. Boats depart every 30 minutes from 11 piers. Asiatique, Icon Siam, the Temple of Dawn, Museum of Siam, the Flower Market and the Grand Palace are just some of the sites that you can reach by this tourist's boat. Besides that, the long-tailed boat tours in Bangkok are a classic. These tours give you access to otherwise hard-to-reach sites. It allows you to enjoy an unobstructed view of Bangkok's riverbound highlights. You will find numerous landmarks of the capital along the Chao Phraya River, and a boat tour is the best way to visit them all in one go. The Chao Phraya River and its canals used to be the roads of Bangkok. These intricate networks were mostly used for transportation and floating markets. A boat ride on the Chao Phraya River, the central and historic river in the heart of Bangkok, is undoubtedly a must-do. At the end, there are countless Bangkok boat tours to choose from, so I'll leave a few links in the description box below for you to plan your tour. That's all we have for this video. Please let us know if you liked it, share the video and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.